Alright, well, if you saw my last video for the devlog, it didn't have any audio, so I'm re-recording this. Don't know what happened there, but anyway, Marsellus and I decided to create a video game, and we have never done that before, so kind of just wanted to kind of document our process, and if we learn something along the way, you know, I can create some tutorials or whatever. But we're going to be using Godot engine, so we're using Godot 4.1.2 right now, and we got a sprite. Our art, by the way, is not made by us. We bought these assets from itch.io, and they come from let me get back to it real quick. I want to give them credit. So it's called Time Fantasy, and it is, let's see, if you go to timefantasy.net, that's where I got it from. Paid full price for it, so help support artists. We are going to have to get our hands dirty though, because it doesn't have any animations for attacks in here, at least not in all directions. And so we're gonna have to do that, but we're just our first day, but you know, we got some stuff set up. Basically got a character that we can move, and got some collisions working and some Y sorting, so I can go behind 2D elements, and it kind of looks like you're going in front and behind them. Same thing with this wall here, set up collisions on that. And then got some collisions set up back here. This is probably what I'm most proud of. This little light pillar, created a scene for this, and the bottom part of it is just a sprite that we got from this package. The top part is an animated sprite, so it was just a fire, so I animated that. And then actually the lighting effects, I learned how to use Godot's 2D lighting effects and created a pen light. And then was able to, if I go to the lampstand in the code, you can see kind of use some noise to animate the alpha channel on the color for the light. So the color is this orange color here, and this color has an alpha channel. And so what I did was got an alpha value coming from the noise, and we keep the colors the same for red, green, and blue, but just automating the alpha to give it a flicker effect. And what's super cool about it is basically that those lights, even though it's not real, you know, light rendering, it does interact with sprites. So if I walk behind here, it lights up this sprite here, and even the flickering kind of makes. Now what I might do, not really certain if I will do it or not, I might set it up a light occluder on this sprite, so that it actually casts a shadow based upon walking behind there, but probably not. This is going to be kind of a Gauntlet style game. If you guys have ever played that old Atari or Nintendo game called Gauntlet, where there's like spawn points and it's a maze, and there's just tons of enemies coming out of the spawn points. You got to kill them, and they just keep coming until you kill the spawn points. And then you get through the maze, you get a key, and you can go out the door to the next level. That's kind of what we're thinking here. Just something real simple, just to learn and get our hands dirty. We'd like to make an ARPG at some point, kind of in this style, like Super Nintendo era style. But yeah, just digging it so far, having a ton of fun. And I know it's not what I normally do with web development, but once you know how to code, you might as well try coding in different places, you know, that you might find some enjoyment out of. And so I've always wanted to do this, and so it's time I start, and I just will share that journey along with you guys. All right, peace out. Hope everyone's doing well.